Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got my man Boris's TMG dumpster, but hey, this ain't just your standard dumpster, guys. Inside here, check this bad boy out. We got the Santa Maria charcoal tray inside, all right? Now, first time we've done this setup, had a lot of people interested in that. Say, hey, I want to be able to raise and lower my fire. Boom, we got it set up right there. For my man Boris, he finally made it happen. Check out that action there. Locks in, build your fire on there, raise and lower it. Still got your standard shelf here. All right. Now he did get this extra tall. He's gonna take these casters off. So it won't always be this tall, it'll be standard height. Open up the lid here, still our normal setup here. Got your top grate, it is removable, picks up out of there. Got his fire poker in there, of course, as well. All 3/16 plate steel, the bottom is 1/4 inch and the bottom's insulated as well. Holds heat great, guys. These are super easy to run. We did do them D-ring tie downs in all 4 corners as well. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.